Welcome dear students. In this video, we are going to learn 7th Standard General Science. Subject teacher Joshi SK. Now, let us start our third lesson, Properties of Natural Resources.
In previous video, we have studied properties of air. Now, let's study properties of water in detail. In 6th standard, we have already studied that 2/3 part of biosphere is occupied by water. On Earth, water occurs in solid, liquid as well as in the gaseous state. But under ordinary conditions, water occurs in liquid state only. Let's learn properties of water. First property of water is water occurs in liquid state at ordinary condition. Second, water is fluid substance. It flows towards slope. Third, water does not have any shape. It takes shape of container in which it is poured. Fourth, water has definite volume. Fifth, water expands on cooling. Sixth property of water is density of ice is less than water, so it floats on water. Seventh, water shows anomalous behavior at 4 degrees Celsius. Eighth, water is good coolant. Ninth, water is colorless, odorless, tasteless, and also water is universal solvent. Water occurs in liquid state at ordinary conditions. But if temperature is decreased, water is converted into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. And if temperature is increased, water is converted into gaseous state, means water vapors at 100 degrees Celsius. First property of water is fluid substance. It flows towards slope. To understand this property, try this activity with me. Take a glass of water, pour it on a sloping surface and observe what will happen. Water flows towards sloping surface. You also can experience this property when you visit a waterfall. Second property is water does not have shape. Try this activity with me. Take containers or pots of different shapes from your house. Pour water in it. What will you observe? Water takes shape of container in which it is poured. It means water does not have its own shape, but it has definite volume. Next property is water expands on cooling. To prove this activity, take a plastic bottle, pour some water in it and mark water level on the bottle with the help of black marker pen, and keep the bottle in freeze for making ice. Open the freezer after water get converted into ice. Look at the bottle carefully and observe. You will find that ice level is higher than that of the water level. Hence, it is proved that water expands on cooling. Next point is about density. Take a pot of water. Drop metal hair clip, eraser, plastic lid, plastic ball, steel spoon, pencil, plastic spoon and scale one by one. You can use different articles of your choice from your house and observe carefully. Some articles floats on the water while some articles sinks in the water. Now take some water in a pot and add few ice cubes in it and observe what happens. Ice floats on water. But why? Reason behind this is density. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. As we studied in the previous experiment, when water freezes, its volume increases and density decreases. So, ice floats on water. Formula of density is density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeter. Hence, unit of density is gram per cubic centimeter. Density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Let's study effects of density. First experiment for this, take 2 glasses of water, add 4-5 spoonfuls of salt to one of the glass and dissolve it completely. Now take 2 equal sized lemons, put them in glasses and observe what will happen. In first glass, lemon sinks in the water, while in the second glass, in which we have already added salt, lemon floats. Think why this happens? Second effect of density is anomalous behavior of water. You always watch penguin eating fish below the ice in snowy region on Discovery or National Geography channels. How does this happen? Let's study. Usually, when the temperature of substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is exception to this rule. When water starts cooling, its density increases. But if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. This means that density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius and water gets converted into ice at 0 degrees Celsius. When temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases but volume increases. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Due to anomalous behavior of water, fish and aquatic plants can stay alive in the rivers covered with snow of snowy region. Try this experiment with me. Keep a glass full of water in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and then take out the glass and observe it carefully. In which part of the glass did you notice ice? Now let's understand concept of dissolving. To understand this concept, try this activity with me. Take a glass of water, add 2 spoonfuls of sugar or salt in it. Stir well until salt or sugar completely dissolves in it, that is, completely mixes with water. This process is called dissolving. In the above experiment, the substance which dissolves is called solute. Sugar or salt is solute here. The substance in which solute dissolves is called solvent. We have used water as solvent. When solute dissolves in solvent, we get solution of solute and solvent. Next point is about uses of water according to its properties. First property is fluidity and uses are: due to fluidity, water is used for transport, and second one, electricity generation. Second property is water is good coolant Due to this cooling property, water is used in motor vehicles to control temperature of engine. Third property, water is universal solvent. Due to this property of water, water is used in many factories, laboratories, foodstuff industries, and also in many biological processes in our body like digestion, excretion, etc. Water is in liquid state at ordinary condition. It is fluid. It is colorless, odorless as well as tasteless, and hence we use water for cleaning purpose. Thank you for watching this video.